So they've turned cereal into candy and then sweet snacks into cereal. I mean, and then ice cream and jokes.
You
Pretty
see
good.
so many of these odd flavors. You know, even in ice cream now, you're seeing all these odd flavors.
But those probably taste good. As long as it's super sweet, it's going to taste good.
That's fair.
As
That's
candy
fair.
and cereal.
Checking in this morning, we've got mostly clear skies overhead and overnight. That has allowed for temperatures to plummet. One of the coldest mornings so far this season, in fact, and a lot of frost out there as well. Live view on the Benton Square under mostly clear skies. We've got temperatures back in the lower 20s. Sunrise coming this morning at 7:05 a.m. We do expect some sunshine here through the morning hours. By the afternoon, though, expecting more clouds to move in. Another cold day. Yesterday, only 39. Today, very similar during the afternoon. A lot of clouds this afternoon. We are dry through the daylight hours, but then late tonight brings our chance, at least the first chance of the season, for at least some light snow. Expecting that in here late tonight and into early Wednesday morning. This is not a big winter storm by any means for us. For most, it's likely just some minor accumulations of snow on some grassy surfaces. By the end of the week, whatever falls, it's not going to be here for very long. We're already warming back up, well above freezing by Thursday and Friday. Checking in this morning, though, temperatures back in the lower 20s down to 21. Currently in Mount Vernon, we've got 24, in Harrisburg 23, in Carbondale. Then factor in a breeze out of the north and northeast there, and you've got wind chills back into the teens. So bundle up this morning. Lots of cold air taking center stage out across the middle of the country. Evansville, Indiana at 23, St. Louis at 24 degrees this morning. There's the snow, though, we're talking now out across parts of Nebraska, Kansas, back into Colorado, and the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. Now, this southern storm system is going to start to strengthen here over the next 24 hours as it gets a little closer to us. That's going to bring that winter weather into our forecast. This afternoon, we're into the upper 30s, some lower 40s possible, mainly south of the Ohio River. And then tonight, now this is when we expect the precipitation to move in. This is about 10 p.m. Initially, we're likely to see some rain mixing in, especially into western Kentucky, out across parts of southern Illinois. This is likely going to be just some light snow showers. And then as we get into the early morning hours on Wednesday, this is 3 a.m. Notice these temperatures as well, hovering just about the freezing mark. Western Kentucky still mainly rain with temperatures above freezing, but for much of southern Illinois, some light snow falling there early Wednesday morning. This is in, this is out very, very quickly by 7 a.m. already starting to exit to the east, and by lunchtime it is wrapping up, coming to an end, but it's going to be another cool day as well on Wednesday. So snow amounts will be primarily out across parts of southern Illinois. Expecting a dusting possibly up to 1 inch, mainly on some grassy surfaces. I can't entirely rule out maybe an isolated slick spot or two in some of our northern counties. I still think the impacts from any type of winter weather are likely going to be low in our region, but the best chance of seeing some minor accumulations likely along and north of Route 13 in southern Illinois. And again, the main threat there Wednesday morning, just some isolated slushy roads. For today, though, mostly cloudy skies at lunchtime, afternoon highs running into the upper 30s. So we're dry through the daylight hours. By 9 p.m. here comes the snow showers and then starting to pick up closer to midnight. Lingering around into the early morning hours on Wednesday, and then it exits Thursday. Sunshine returns, temperatures back into the lower 40s. Friday, we're back in the mid 40s, and then looking ahead to the weekend, another chance for even some rain showers by Saturday, and back into the upper 40s by Sunday, and afternoon highs even into the lower 50s as we get set to move into Monday of Christmas week.
Well, I think, I know not everybody's for the snow, but I actually look forward to a little snowfall.
Of course, it's something we'll be tracking here throughout the day today, but I want you to know this is not going to be a big winter storm for us.
And I have prepared myself for this, but I'm still excited. Thank you, Nick.